Look at that lake, you guys. So yeah, this is a little different. We're in the Jeep. We're not going Jeeping either. We're going motoing on that there lake. What a day. Stick around, should be fun. Oh yeah, looks beautiful out there. Yeehaw. Well, you guys, I hope everybody's doing very good today. Here's where I went through the other day. Conditions right now for riding on the lake are actually pretty much as good as they get. February was one of our coldest months on record, and going into March, we've had minus 14 for the last couple of days. So that's going to change real quick. This weekend it looks like we're getting some +8s and stuff, so I think spring-like conditions are just around the corner. So I thought I'd take advantage of this weather, get a little 500 time. What a hoot this bike is, I gotta say. Oh my gosh, you guys, talk about lift a guy's spirits. Wow, when the sun comes out, it's weird. It's got this I want to ride effect on me. I'm sure everybody gets that. I think it's called ride-initis. I just made that up. So yeah, I didn't bring a screwdriver with me. These colder temperatures got me revving a little higher than normal. I think what we'll do is grab the drone and get some cool shots, because it follows you really good on the lake. Maybe I'll do some slow wheelies too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. That feels good. It's a little sketchy though on that rear brake, because it kind of freezes up. When I go through that slush, it gets everything wet. Whoa, slid a little bit sketchy doing those. My rear tire broke loose when I grab the rear brake here somewheres. That's pretty fun though. I'm gonna grab the drone and get some cool shots. my Jeep out on the lake. Here's my sleepy town that I always... Actually, you know what, you guys? I'll show you guys, can see from here. If you look up on the lake, see that cliff? You might not be able to see it on the camera. Right by that big tree, right way up there. That's the one I always go to, because you can see it's on the way on the main road. All my trails go pretty much all around it, so now we're looking up for a change instead of looking down. But yeah, that's the lookout there. And this is Main Street in my sleepy little town. I'll take you guys on a Mainer. That's what we used to call them when I was growing up, Mainer. You go up and down Main Street. Well, actually we did that in the city, but we used to go up and down Main Street in our hot rods and stop and chat with everybody and then turn around and do it again, and we'd do that all night. Good old Mainers. So I guess technically right now I'm taking you guys on a Mainer. But yeah, you gotta love the old CR500. She sure likes the lake. I don't know what that's all about. Oh, skating rink. We're getting into a bit deeper snow. It's losing traction. Wow, look at this, you guys. This is not fantastic. Here's I don't know what you want to call that thing. The wakeboarder guys go up there on their wakeboard. You know, ride the rail or whatever they call that. I don't even know. And you can see the birds floating in the open water over there. That's the canal that connects the other big lake. The really big lakes over there. This one's just a small one. So I don't feel good about going too much closer to that, to be honest. Check this out. I think we're in fourth. Just wheelies on command in any gear. See the slush? I went through that the other day. Actually, I'll show you guys from a different view here. I came out here a couple days ago. I wanted to film for you guys and make some cool videos, but it was a little overcast. See that? So what happens is it freezes on top of the ice layer. Pretty cool. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, you guys, but we're gonna give it a go here. I just gotta get moving. We're gonna call these shots, I don't know what you call these shots. Action shots. There you go. I wonder if that's getting a cool shot or not. I don't like this area here. It looks soft over there. That pulls the front wheel and I've got one hand on the bars. I'm not even pulling. Okay, that's enough of that silliness. So wow, what a day, you guys. I was pretty blessed to have a nice sunny day like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video, you guys. I appreciate everybody watching. If some of you guys are new to my channel, definitely check out the playlists. I give riding lessons and all kinds of fun stuff. I have a trials bike and I got quite a bit of stuff on my channel, so check it out. If you're new to the channel, definitely hit the subscribe button, and if you just come back all the time and don't hit the subscribe button, you might as well hit it, because that helps my channel out and helps it grow, and the bigger the channel gets, the more time I'm going to spend on it. So yeah, I appreciate it, you guys. Drop some comments, hit the old like button while you're at it, and definitely hit the red button. Looks just like this one down below, and in it, like this picture, the drop down arrow, there's links to all my social media and, you know, Instagram and Patreon's there for the people that want to help the channel grow and stuff like that. I appreciate it very much, you guys. I will see you in the spring, which is very close. Right on.